silence feels different now. No sirens cutting through the air, just the sound of water falling from the rooftops everywhere. The skyline wears a softer glow, like it's learning how to breathe. Every street we used to know is washing yesterday away. Maybe all this time the storm was hiding who we are. Now the clouds are breaking open like a million falling stars. After the rain, we found a sky that wasn't made of neon signs and endless games, but colors we could finally feel. After the rain, every dream became alive, like the city lost its disguise and showed us something real. Your reflection walks with mine across the flooded avenue. Every puddle holds the sunrise, every step feels something new. We don't chase the flashing lights, they don't call us anymore. There's a whole new world beyond the skyline we were searching for. We were looking for tomorrow in a city made of glass. Now we're finding every answer in the moments that still last. After the rain, we found a sky that wasn't made of neon signs and endless games, but colors we could finally feel. After the rain, every dream became alive, like the city lost its disguise and showed us something real. No more static, no more echoes, only daylight on your face. Every shadow turns to gold as the night gives up its After the rain, nothing has to stay the same. Every road can change its name when you're not afraid to leave. After the rain, we'll remember where we've been, but the story starts again with the morning in our eyes. The night taught us how to dream. The sunrise taught us how to live.